Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
What do you want? Oh, Lonnie, I'm sorry about earlier. Yeah.
I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. TPS, that's fun.
Two, Cal? No, you're getting a car wash, McQueen.
Get them back now. We gotta run. Will you turn that disrespectful junk off?
What's with the balloon? Secret! Tell me, please!
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Buy or not, you're still the smartest, most honest chap we've ever met.
Don't forget massively charming.
What? court will assign one to him. Hey! Anyone want to be his lawyer?
Don't worry, Mama! The queen is very sad. I will... Hey! Act civilized. We got...
Kita melayang seperti balon.
You jumping now, man!
1, 2, 3, a winner!
Who made that?
I hereby dub thee Sir Tomica.
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Ooh, I'm gonna have to go.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the way.
Wait a second, this is Aeroshell 100. I thought I ordered the DT2380. Well, I am sorry you had... Bonita música.
Dead, he emerged 36 days later, running on a fuel he distilled himself from the natural element.
It's actually... Wow! It's really a fire...
Can handle anything.
Mater? Just remember, your brakes ain't...
Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner un buen alto al Rayo McQueen.
I made that stolen fella a Texas-sized offer.
So, ready.
McQueen!
I'm in no hurry! You need to go fast!
McQueen! dragon style!
Spinning dragon on.
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really? Oh,
Bet you.
Buddy, there's a lot of love out here, you know, man.
Don't embarrass me, Fillmore.
He decides when he's done racing. That was the deal. Hi, I'm his lawyer.
That was the deal!
Hey, costume girl! You know, at first I thought you were out here because your GPS.
20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I got dirt in my rib! Queen is the first to take advantage. And just like that, folks, Francesco's lead is left in the dust.
Nuestra tierra.
It's okay, but.
I don't care. Lightning, now that you're retired, I need you first thing Monday morning for a photo shoot.
Trace, Lightning McQueen must be killed.
No!
Perché devo fare sta cosa?
Guido,